body has been fighting for you every single day, even when you forgot to say thank you for the breath, the beat, the bend, the heart that didn't let you end, your legs that carried you through pain, your arms that reached out in the rain, your lungs that pulled the air inside when you just wanted to run and hide. The body never asked for thanks, it just keeps building stronger ranks against the war you never see. It fights to keep you free. Your body has been fighting for you every breath, even when you thought you had nothing left. The muscles, the bones, the skin, the blood, a silent warrior in the flood. Say thank you to your tired hands for holding up your broken lands. You are not alone in this fight. Your body has been holding you tight. The saxophone breathes from a living chest. He knows his brass is a second best to the lungs that push the air inside, the diaphragm that never tried to take a break, to take a rest. He knows the body knows the test. I put my hand upon my heart and thanked it for the fragile art. Every cell, every vein, every hidden part, a masterpiece of loving art. Your body has been fighting for you every breath, even when you thought you had nothing left. The muscles, the bones, the skin, the blood, a silent warrior in the flood. Maybe gratitude is the greatest healer, a quiet thank you to the feeler. Thank you hands, thank you feet, thank you heart for every beat, thank you lungs for every sigh. My body's been fighting and I know why. Footsteps echo lightly on the velvet streets, where the night and city calmly meet. Your silhouette glows in the silver light, leading me through the softness of the night. And in your eyes I find a world so kind, a tender place for my restless mind. On these silent velvet streets we walk so slow, let the gentle jazz guide where our hearts go. Every breath a quiet vow we never speak. Love unfolding in the calm we see. Silent velvet streets take us home. Saxophone floats above like a lonely star, and the piano echoes softly from afar. Your hand in mine feels like a steady flame, warming every fear I could not tame. Let the shadows dance while the night grows deep. There are secrets only tenderness can keep. On these silent velvet streets we walk so slow. Let the gentle jazz guide where our hearts go. Every breath a quiet vow we never speak. Love unfolding in the calm we seek. Silent velvet streets take us home. If tomorrow comes with storms or rain, I'll remember this peace again. On these silent velvet streets, hold me near. Let the rhythm wash away our fear. Silent velvet streets, forever warm. Swaying softly in the muted glow. Your footsteps trace the rhythm, steady and slow. The air feels woven out of warm desire. Your eyes lighting sparks like a gentle fire in the hush.